Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is your own Dr. Hema, MD in Homeopathy from Mumbai. Today's topic is weight gain. Weight loss कैसे करना है? And what is the right ways of doing weight loss without causing any deficiencies in the body? So, in a very simple way, it is causing lot of problems today where the children and the parents are struggling for a proper diet, where the parents keep telling the children to have proper food and the children keep avoiding the foods which are healthy. And because of that, they are not eating healthy, and major people suffer from the weight gain problems, obesity, and people who are so conscious that even if they are a little obese, they want to lose their weight, and it becomes a big problem. So, first, what is a normal weight, normal height? So, be careful whenever a child is growing, it is important to check the height. Even if the child is a little obese, it doesn't matter. But if the height is growing and the weight is growing, it is absolutely normal. जंक फूड नीड्स टू बी अवॉइडेड. आप सब जानते हैं ये कि उनको हेल्दी फूड देना चाहिए. अगर उनका एपेटाइट ज़्यादा है और अगर वो हेल्दी फूड के बाद थोड़ा बहुत जंक फूड खा रहे हैं in the growth stage, but if their height is increasing, they are having a healthy diet. Major problems of the college students and the people who wants to get married. The age between I'm talking is 20 to 30, where there is a major problem of weight gain and to lose weight. If it is 30 plus, 30 40s, there is a problem of weight gain which leads to obesity and which leads to lot of diseases. Very quickly, क्या करना चाहिए? पहले तो आप जहाँ के हैं, आप जो भी आपका नेटिव है, इफ़ यू आर फ्रॉम एनीवेयर, लाइक इफ़ यू आर फ्रॉम पंजाब, यू आर नॉट सपोज टू लीव द आलू पराठा. अगर आप साउथ इंडियन हैं तो आपको इडली डोसा राइस नहीं छोड़ना है. एंड इफ़ यू आर North Indian, South Indian, or whatever you eat, you have to keep eating that. जो आपका, अगर आप राजस्थानी है तो आपको दाल बाटी चूरमा या वो उसमें शक्कर होता है तो वो लड्डू नहीं खाने हैं, गूंद के लड्डू नहीं खाने, ये सब गलत चीज़ें हैं. द थिंग इज़ इट शुड बी बैलेंस्ड. द डाइट शुड बी बैलेंस्ड. आप जो भी चीज़, आपके जो भी नेटिव, आपके जो जीन्स हैं, आप जहाँ से आपका बॉर्न एंड ब्रॉटअप है, जो आपका जेनेटिक्स है, जहाँ से आप बर्थ बर्थ लिया है, वो चीज़ आपको नहीं छोड़ना है. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप ये राइस छोड़ के आप बाजरा खाओ, ज्वार खाओ. नो. बहुत सारा अभी ट्रेंड हुआ है. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स, एग्जॉटिक वेजिटेबल्स, जहाँ पे ब्रोकलीज है, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कुकुम्बर्स है, लेटस है, एवोकाडोज है, एंड you start leaving your basics and you just want to eat this exotic vegetables कि हम सिर्फ salad खाएंगे. So that also causes lot of deficiencies in the body, and if you do this, there is a weight gain, not weight loss. The weight loss journey will be only successful if it is consistent for more than an year. If you just do this for 15-20 days, a month or 2 months, and you gain weight again, then it is of no use. So stop doing all this things which is causing lot of problems. जहाँ पे आपको weakness आता है. बहुत सारे बच्चे जो चक्कर आ जाते हैं, गिर जाते हैं, because they are not eating, because they want to be thin. They are conscious. When they go out, they want to look thin, slim. It is not wrong to look slim or trim, but it is wrong to look emaciated and weak. The quantity of food, it is no dietitian will decide, no doctor will decide that you have to eat one roti खाना है, 2 रोटी खाना है, या 6 रोटी खाना है, या 8 rotis खाना है. It is wrong. It is your appetite. If your appetite is more, you have to eat a little less than your appetite. You don't have to eat full stomach. Like, I'll give you an example. If you want to eat 3 rotis, you eat 2. Stop at 2. Don't eat 3. But if you are eating 8 rotis, don't stop at 2. So this is how you need to control and see the diet, and always do it gradually. Mentally, if it is affecting, please don't get it affected. It is wrong. If your mind is getting involved, definitely you're going to be obese. तो ये चीज़ें आप कर सकते हैं घर पे. घर का खाना खाइए, बाहर का मत खाइए. जंक फूड मत खाइए. पिज़्ज़ाज़, बर्गर्स, पाव भाजी जो बाहर है, बाहर की मत खाइए. इफ़ यू रियली वांट टू ईट पाव भाजी, यू कैन ईट एट होम. अवॉइड पाव, यू कैन ईट रोटी. देयर इज़ नो प्रॉब्लम ईटिंग wheat. Wheat is our staple diet, rice is our staple diet. So don't. We are in India, we are using all this basic ingredients and which is very good for health. घर का खाना खाइए. It doesn't matter if you have few kilos more. There is no absolute weight that you need to be at 60 or you need to be at 65. No, you can be 68, you can be 70. It can be your bone weight, it can be muscle mass. So start staying healthy, start staying fit. Don't get obsessed about losing weight. Just lose weight by eating right and be consistent throughout the year. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you.